How to start preparing for business. Below are step-by-step guides you can follow. 1. Self-assessment. You can start preparing by doing a self-assessment. It means to reflect on yourself and the business. The purpose of self-assessment is to identify any ups and downs. Acknowledging the weakness will give us an upper hand in business. Then, you can work on the downsides and overcome it. Self-analyzing will also help in understanding the strengths and talents. You channel your talents in the right track. So, the first step to preparation is self-assessment. By this phase, you will learn about the aspects that need preparation. 2. Work on your weakness and strengths. Well, as I mentioned, the purpose of self-assessment is to acknowledge the ups and downs. Once you learned that, start working on it. If you find you are bad at communication, practice and prepare to improve. If marketing is not your strongest skill, read and learn some tips and tricks. On the other hand, if you are skilled in learning and researching, make use of it in all areas. 3. Learn about your target audience. Now, is preparing for business success completely about you? Of course not, it's also about the target audience. The business success is possible when you give customer what they prefer. So, learn about their preferences and expectations. Preparing the business and service in line with the expectations of customers is crucial for success. 4. Change your daily routine. Do you follow a healthy daily routine? A wholesome habit can prepare you and give you confidence. It could be simple as waking up early, getting physical movements, eating healthy and more. So, change your daily rules and make it more productive. It will give you confidence to look up for the day. 5. Improve consistently. Don't just pick up some habits and drop it after a while. But be consistent in your practice and preparation. Consistency will ensure business success. So, preparing once in a while shouldn't be the plan, but make it your daily routine. Learn from books, courses, teammates and failures. Practice communication and train for other core skills.